Today we're taking a tour of the neighborhood called White Cloud, and this is located in McCall, Idaho. It's on the southwest side of town, down West Mountain Road. Whenever somebody's looking for larger acre lots, if they want to be closer to Brundage Ski Resort, I would definitely recommend the neighborhood White Cloud. So let's go check it out. So there are a variety of lots available. The price range for lots in this neighborhood typically starts around $200,000 and goes all the way up into the mid 300s. The utilities in this neighborhood, you'll find that they're on well and septic for water and sewer, and then they do have underground power throughout the neighborhood. So you don't have any tall power lines or anything that you have to look at. It really keeps to where you have great views and nothing obstructing them. The roads in the neighborhood are all paved and maintained in the winter, so you have access year-round. There aren't any homes that are currently available right now, but when homes do come up in the White Cloud neighborhood, they're usually over $1 million, and they do allow for short-term rentals. So whether you're wanting to buy a permanent residence and live full-time, or something that you could rent out, both of those options are available in this White Cloud community. If you're looking for more information and what's available in White Cloud, just click the link here and comment White Cloud to get a list of all the available properties.